end up almost 5,000 per month.
Per month.
5,000. You know? Ngate kuli kulia te kuli kola chi because I have
just rents.
Ngate nabantu tulinga munana but I didn't feel it bwana uli nango bulambutan so good.
Yeah.
So we were paying 5,000 per month plus kulia and all that. I think we were spending between 4,000 to 3,000 per month. It was a lot, but because nali mfunye studio waka na mfunye swimming pool mfunye abantu.
So it was on something.
I really didn't feel it. It was a lot of money, but I didn't feel it. And that went for almost like 4 months. I spent a lot of money there. In Banyamba Nyo, I thank the government honestly. When again the Ivory Coast, and again into the Ngawamani of Dongo come like that there is the urbanization songa. So then take a kaimba chaso kokuz giragamba songa mbere. Don't give up, don't stop. Because I wanted to encourage myself.
Positivity all the way.
Yeah, I wanted to encourage myself like you can still make it, keep going. It was very difficult because we spent over 300 million. There's no way. Boys okubango spending up saving bubona sendeze wandi koze mukino ngolaba just to take a mumere na kweba in a period of only 4 months. You have to go crazy. So we spent a lot of money. Nebaza abantu abanyambako abambikwano jange. There is a man from Arua. You know, he told me that I will never mention his name on in media, but this guy really did a great job for me. I won't mention his name. He lives in Nigeria, but he's a Ugandan from Arua.
I know him.
That guy sent me 10,000 USD.
Wow.
He sent someone at my hotel. I think he has a connection in Côte d'Ivoire. And he's like, you know what? Go and look for Eddy Kenzo. I got his manager's contacts. They told me he's in this place. The person came. He came with $10,000.
Wow.
And many people started sending me money. My brother Twaha and Haju Maru and many people, you know, I can't mention.
We thank God for friends.
They kept on sending me messages, encouraging me. Man. Olaba ezere benaina mo buzibu ne bebe cool nene bebe cool yankubire simu nanga mama I know what you're going through. I'm here with my wife and we're praying for you. Keep going. So man, I thank Ugandans. I thank everyone who really prayed for me. That wasn't the easy times, I'm telling you. Omuntu nga tachiri munye tachimanya negwe wekuwa mwekifananyi nga I was spending it over 300 million naye nga tomanyi diru ovaayo nga kwegamba olaba oyinza n'okugenda mu billion. And I read that I was going through a lot. Naye Mukama nanyamba, I became coming out with that message of songa mbere. Never stop. Kano kowulira muleme ite mamoni. Ebyo byemukola temubimanyi. Ako nakongera mu bwongezi nalumiriza mu fake famaika. Fake nangamba, yongera mu kana akantu nayimba ka message. Kati ye yali ayimba ngo agamba, ebyo byemukuba temubimanyi. Ye rapper. Ebyo byemukuba temubimanyi so zinentekawo. Ebyo byemukola temubimanyi so ye yampako ka melody. That particular melody was given to me by Fik Fama.
Wow, beautiful.
So
artists coming together to support each other. This is nice. Okay, song number 2. Now, we know Monique Seka.
Born in Ivory Coast, but lucky enough, she was also locked down there. She lives in Paris. You know, abera France, yabera obulambwe bwonna n'abaana be gy'abazaalidde. Manya abayimbi ba West Africa ensi zaabwe zaagwamu entalo. Kati ensi bwe zigwamu entalo abayimbi badduka bagenda ne babeera awa. Bayimbi ba France, abasinga abayimbi ba Mali, Senegal,
Liberia.
They are all in France and Europe,
yes.
in particular. But now Europe. Most of big artists go na go kona kuno gambo no. Babera blind. Kubanga insi zawe zali tezili settled.
So fortunately yali Ivory Coast lockdown ya Musanga. Okay.
Kati wewe nze ngamba bane njagala kukola ki kulaba kukoya omukyala kubanga Uganda. Ba Uganda najiteeka kuki? Kutaka. So njagala kumulabako. Ne bamukubira nabagamba nange njagala nye Eddy Kenzo love Sitaloza and all that and Maria Loza mumulete wange mufumbire ekijjulo.
Wow.
Naye nali ndi a little bit sick kubanga omanyi naberanga down. Ye ne bamugamba teyewulira bulungi naye woba omusobodde omuyamba n'ojja jangu kati naye situla najja owange webali banfunidde apartment ne tunyumyamu ne bukiripusobo gye buli ku YouTube nga tunyumyamu tamanyi Luzungu amanyi Lufaransa lwokana lulimi lwabwe
ate gwe tomanyi Lufaransa naleme omanyi Luzungu basically mwali awo nga mukosa sign language
naye nga bali banzivunulira naye olaba she's a good so ne mugamba mama I would like to do a remix. I'm working on my album but I would like to put on your song. I really love this song and it means a lot to Ugandans because they love it from village to village. Most especially where you come from. They love these songs, you know. So that's how we came out with an idea. Nampa permission. Naja, she redid the vocals. Vocal was ulira kati zino. Size eziri zino uli anga za mchala mukulu luli aluyimba muwala muto. Ne kati wo ulira vocals for machiwa lady. Na ziddamu wenyini the true caller with the producer called Momo Wang, then Naruwereze France for mix and master.
Legends, wakirizo kole remix y'oluyimba lwe oba otuuse. And moreover, if you're not from the same country, because normally they do collabos with their countrymen, but hey, Eddy, miracle, tucha tumbiza, hey,
kabaddiremu
soko kabaddiremu. Another legend on the same album featuring Omwana Wachi. Omwana Wachi, no matter the situation you are in, it's never permanent. God has a plan for each and every one. Let's put our hands. Kenzo, you have brought back memories because those are two of my favorite artists growing up. Kanda Bongo Man, Monique Seka. Hey, Katya, tell us the story.
Now, this song I met Kanda Bongo Man. In fact, he had the roots when Balaam brought him.
Yes.
Before even going to Ivory Coast. Before even going to Ivory Coast.
Yes.
So I met Kanda Bongo Man. He told Balaam, bring me Kenzo. You know? Yes.
Wow.
I didn't even know that he knows me. And he told Balaam, get me Kenzo. So Balaam called me and he's like, Mzee Kanda Bongo Man wants to meet you. Nemu meeting. By that time he was coming from the president, I think.
Yes.
Yeah. Nangamba man, I really love what you do.
Wow.
I've seen many African artists coming since our days with our people. But trust me, you are unique. First and foremost, you are selling your language. You are very original. You are doing original music. You are selling Africa to the world. I really appreciate the fact that you use young people in your music video, the kids. In fact, nabona Abantu manangamba npitira ku Masaka kids. Yali agala Masaka kids and ghetto kids were busy. So nentumya Masaka kids all the way from Masaka to come and meet him. He was very happy to see them. Ne bamuziniramu. We met in Entebbe. So nangamba, you know what, Eddy, I want to give you a gift. I'm like, which gift? Go back, redo money.
Wow.
Yes.
Because that is the song, that was his breakthrough song, by the way.
Yes.
Hey, he told you to redo it.
Yeah, he said he redo money because this song means a lot to me. This song means a lot to Africa.
Yeah.
This song has sold Africa worldwide. He told me, you know, Eddy, I've done shows everywhere.
Yeah.
You know, he told me I've been in studio with Jay-Z, with Kanye West, with who because of this song. So please, that's
so he shared some of that blessing.
Yes.
Amazing. Miracle. Kano bakaita ye.
Kano bakaita shekamo. Like shaking them. Na kwato luganda, nendugata mo Lufaransa, nendugata mo Luzungu. Shaking them, shekamo. Nakola kayimba.
No gamba shekamo.
Shekamo.
You can't shake me all.
Nakakola ne guy bamuita Tribe Mark.
Yes.
Tribe Mark is an upcoming in America, promising rapper.
Wow.
Very good one. In fact, agenda ku signing very soon. Ne ekone. So, man,
beautiful.
Yeah.
To the media, we are going to give you an opportunity to ask questions after we have done the review. We are just reviewing a couple of songs off the album, not all. The interest of time, because we did not plan for it to go past 7 o'clock.
Loco.
And Miracle, Tugende Kalala.
Yeah,
we say, yes. We are trying to fight time.
I think they're just, the message is really strong, but it's funny, it's hilarious, and it's very hard for somebody to forget.
Wekumenyo kulwekitibwa kyosagala obe mwangu ngabali abagala ebyamangu mwana tokolanga ebyekyalo ngabali abalina amalolo.
Wow, powerful message. It may sound funny, but that is going to stick to the young generation. Thank you, thank you.
No,
as long as katambula. Tugende maso.
Yenzo mwana wa mame ne dadi omuwati akabiri peti sirina tabu sina shida ata oyagala omanye gye nazaalibwa oyagala omanya tera bwensula bina munnange sembera yenze kalidinaali yenze era omudokitaali yenze apiwa seksi agambye atya yenzo mwana wa mama ne dadi omuwati akabiri peti sirina taboze sirina shida oyagala omanye gye nazaalibwa oyagala omanye gye nakuulira oyagala omanya tera bwensula munna agambye atya yenze omudokitaali yenze mama yenze omudokitaali era omudokitaali oli apima